Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate Anthropic Claude's API keys. So at first, you need to visit this URL. By the way, I'll also put this URL in the description below. So it's console.anthropic.com/settings/keys. Once you visit the URL, you'll see that it takes you to a login page. So if you already have an account, you can log in or you can sign up. So let me log in and get back. So now I'm logged in and you can see that the same URL, it shows create an API key and this button. So once I click on this button, it shows me a pop-up, and from here I can select a workspace. Let's keep it default and I can name it anything I want to remember later. So I'll name it something like multi AI a script. Yes. And once I click on this add button, it shows me the API key. But please note that keep it secret and do not share with anyone, because if you share or leak it anywhere online, anyone can use your API and then you will be charged for that. So you can copy from here and then you can use it anywhere you want. So I'll go ahead and delete it because my API key was shown in the video. So yes, that's it, and see you in the next video.